Tom Ford. 225 US a bottle.
Yes. You know, the best, only the best for the best. You know, David, that was one of the things that, drew me to you. You seem to always like the nicer and the finer things in life. I mean, look at me. Right, David? Jimmy Choo.
So you're here to check on my cologne collection?
No, I'm here to give you your birthday present. Isn't it obvious?
You keep popping up unannounced, and we're no longer married.
Correction. We're no longer together, but legally, we're still married.
Oh, wait a minute. What exactly is this all about, Audrey? My instincts keep telling me there's more to this than meets the eye.
That's your years of spying kicking in. You're always overthinking everything and always looking into things way more than what they are.
It has saved my life many times. Nothing is ever as it seems.
Come on, baby. Loosen up a little. Let your guard down.
Audrey, this is not the time or place for this.
Oh, so there will be a time and place. Just let me know. So I will not wear any underwear.
Audrey?
Yes.
This is my office. We don't entertain anything outside of professional ethics here. Please don't violate that.
David, even if I tell you that I'm not wearing any underwear? Okay, David. You've always been a principled man, and I don't want to disrespect your place of business, but I'm only asking for one thing, and I'm asking for a truce.
A truce is for two people who are at war. We're not at war.
Alright. So we're still legally married, and you're the father of my son. I know we've had our issues, and I know I've hurt you. But I'd like us to pass that, and be more civil.
Even though you have made absolutely no effort to allow me to see my son.
David, he still doesn't understand yet. Please, I messed things up. Just allow me to fix it. Just give me some time. He'll be here shortly to live with us, to live with me.
Okay. So you have settled back here in Jamaica?
Yes. I bought a complex and I have a couple of businesses running.
Interesting. What kind of businesses, if you don't mind my asking?
I have a couple of businesses. Car wash, lounge, beauty salon, theater, and a couple of restaurants opening soon.
So I guess you have no intentions of leaving anytime soon.
Jamaica is my home. And I left Jamaica to make a better life for me and my son. And our son.
Oh.
And now that it is better, I'm home. I'm home.